In this video, I will show you how to turn off joins in Roblox. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and then click on this More button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and click on that Settings button, which you'll find in between the gift cards and About button. Now in here, go ahead and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Then in here, go ahead and click on Visibility and Private Servers. So under this, you'll be able to find the visibility settings along with the private server settings. So make sure that you set the visibility settings to no one so that when you play a specific game, it won't be shown into your activity. And that's basically how you can turn off joins in Roblox. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.